Ever wondered how to create the aromatic and flavorful dish known as Karachi Biryani? This dish, popular far beyond the bustling streets of Karachi, is a symphony of tantalizing spices and textures. Its unique taste has won countless hearts. Well, prepare yourself for an adventure into the world of spices and flavors. Firstly, gather all the ingredients you will need. Basmati rice, the bedrock of the dish, provides a light and fluffy texture. Chicken, our protein of choice, brings a hearty flavor. Onions and tomatoes create a robust base, while ginger and garlic add a kick. Yogurt lends a creamy tang, balanced by the bright acidity of lemon juice. Spices, the heart of any biryani, infuse the dish with warmth and depth. Lastly, fresh coriander for a burst of green freshness. Once you have all these ingredients ready, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Now, the real magic begins, the cooking process. First, we start with frying onions in a deep pan until they turn a beautiful shade of golden brown. This color is a sign that they're caramelizing, which will give our biryani a rich, sweet flavor. Once the onions reach this stage, we'll add in freshly crushed ginger and garlic. Their aroma will fill the room, hinting at the delicious meal that's yet to come. Next, we introduce the star of the show, the chicken, followed by a medley of spices. These spices are the soul of our biryani. They bring the heat, the warmth, and the depth. As the chicken cooks and absorbs the spices, we add in ripe tomatoes and creamy yogurt, creating a vibrant base for our biryani. Finally, we layer the aromatic rice and the meat mixture, allowing the flavors to intermingle. This is where slow cooking comes into play, allowing time for the magic to happen. And there you have it, the aromatic and flavorful Karachi Biryani is ready to be served. So, in a nutshell, here's how you create the delicious Karachi Biryani. Start by gathering the freshest ingredients, then expertly blend them to form the biryani magic. Each step is crucial, shaping this delightful dish. Now you're ready to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills by serving them the classic Karachi Biryani.